Now we have j to 48. Again, exponent is greater than 4. What we're supposed to do? We're supposed to perform the long division. We have 48 divided by 4. 4 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 4 is equal 4. Subtract, we have 0. Bring down 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 4 is equal 8. Subtract, we have 0. Remainder is 0. So this is the exponent for my j to 0. Okay? J raised to power 0 is equal 1. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem. This time we have j raised to power 246. Again, exponent is greater than 4. What we're supposed to do? Perform long division. I have 246 divided by 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times. 6 times 4 is equal 24. Subtract. We have 0, bring down 6. How many times 4 goes into 6? Once. 1 times 4 is equal 4. Subtract, we have 2. And this is the exponent for my j. J to the second power. J to the second power is equal -1. That's why -1 is the solution to my problem.